Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see where is Google backup data on your mobile. See here, usually Google backups some data, system data like apps, preferences, Wi-Fi password, call history and SMS or photos. All such backup will be available. Further, you need to just click on Android phone settings. Okay, so this will open Android phone settings, and here you can see this Google option. For most of the mobiles the option will be at the bottom at somewhere, but here on this Motorola it is available at the top. Whatever it may be, open Google, then click on all services, then scroll down until you find backup and restore option. Under the click on this backup, and see here photos and videos are synced to Google Photos. So if you are looking for other just for Google Photos, you can open any browser and just browse through photos.google.com and get all the what is this photos backup here. Okay, if not we'll go to the same setting here. Others device data is turned off. Actually I need to turn it on. So yeah, what it will store: SMS and MMS, call history, device settings, apps and app data. Okay, so yeah, this is where you'll get all the this is where Google will save all your backup data on your mobile. So we got the answer for like where is Google backup data available on our mobile. But here is the question: can we download this? No, you cannot directly download this file to your PC or phone. What you need to do is you need to log in with the same email ID to another new mobile, and at the starting of the login it immediately asks to restore backup and restore to the new mobile. So whatever the apps were here, the call history, the SMS, everything will be restored to the other device. That is what it is mentioned, other data device. So this is how it actually works. Means for multiple devices this Google backup actually is helpful. So yeah, you can click on backup now for the latest sync. Okay, say for example if you're purchasing a new mobile, you can click on backup here, and on the new mobile enter the same email ID which is having the Google backup on this device, and click on the restore on the new device, on the new mobile. Then your all this data will be transferred to that mobile. For Google Photos you can just visit photos.google.com and download those pictures. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.